Hi guys. That's actually how I sound. Hi guys, good evening. So we got back from Asaba yesterday. And I just got back from work. Titi just got back from work. Hi guys. So we are doing something and then I was like, let me vlog because we are having a ball here right now. Like we're literally laughing. So we are doing food timetable for the week or for the month rather. The truth is that we don't really eat so well. And it's so bad. Like when we went home, my mommy spoiled us with food. Like we're eating morning, afternoon, evening. No, I don't know about you. Me, I ate so much. There was always food. Like immediately when I was coming home, just now, I was like, "Hi God, if I was at home now, immediately I get home, there's food waiting." So I came home. I was like, "We must do food timetable." We used to cook before.
We lost the ginger. No, it's
the rice used to cook before.
The rice still cooks.
Like she used to cook jollof spaghetti, fried yam sauce. Now
it's because we're also busy now. I think that's why. I think that's why we're also busy now. So now we're making a conscious effort. Well, this is everybody, by the way.
Hi guys.
So yeah, anyways, we're doing food timetable.
I'm not happy that I don't say hi guys.
Let me tell you why I'm not happy. So we wrote a list of foods that we want to be eating. Then we started doing the timetable. So after writing everything on the timetable, we're now doing a ballot for who gets to cook what. Anita said nobody should put me on Monday morning.
I don't want Monday morning
I don't want Monday morning at all. And guess what happened?
Anita! The funny thing is I was pressing my phone. I was not thinking it was Dobra or something. They kept saying God answered my phone.
I think Dobra is weekend. The way the man said it, I thought it was me. I thought it was me actually. The way the man was singing.
It's not gonna lie, that she paid me.
He paid me on your behalf.
For Monday
Morning.
I can't wait to bad luck. Yeah, Monday evening. What did you say? It's the best. Monday evening is panzo and soup.
It kills Monday evening.
Titi!
Are you happy?
After work, I'll just make panzo here for you people. I want soup. That's us.
No, that's not fair.
That's why it's not fair. Stop.
He's still working
This is very fair.
No, wait. Do you know why that's not fair?
Why?
When are we doing the soup and stew?
Weekend.
Did you write it there?
No, what we're trying to say is that somebody's going to we're going to like
Turn by turn to cook. Maybe in the afternoon.
Oh, so the soup and stew will still do turn by turn.
no,
Yes.
yes.
Now.
But
Yes.
you're only just to
So one meat from the fridge.
Do you understand? Do you get it?
That's what I'm saying. It's not fair.
It's fair.
It's fair.
Like this week, somebody will cook stew and soup.
Alright. Tuesday morning.
So we're still doing timetable for that one.
Yes,
So okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Tuesday morning. Spaghetti and stew.
Please let it be me.
Sandra.
Sandra.
Yes.
Hey.
You see?
Deborah.
Good luck. Spaghetti and
What
stew.
luck is this one? No?
That's so easy.
I don't understand.
Just to boil spaghetti.
Next time, pepper soup.
And it's who because
This is simple.
One of them.
the next ballot make papers bigger.
Oh.
Is it bigger? So I think pepper soup. And because pepper soup is very nice.
God, you've been good to me.
Mumu.
Next food is plantain porridge.
Please let it not be me. Oh. Let it be Titi or Anita.
Anita.
You could now do porridge very well.
Titi.
Is it me?
Is it me?
Is it me? Is it me? It's Dobra.
God,
It's Dobra is a foolish girl.
Anita.
Is it me? Titi. For what?
plantain porridge supposed to go.
He go answer my prayer. I really said Titi or Anita. That's so weird.
I had titi, plantain porridge.
But sure you know that all this food that you are
Yes.
doing, we're going to cook it a night before you
Yes,
go to work.
yes,
Eh-heh.
yes.
Not the one that you come back and tell me that you're tired. So see, another thing is if it's your turn, you have to make sure that the thing that you're going to
Yes,
cook is available a day before.
Yeah. So you can just buy it from work or something.
Oh, yeah, who's
morning,
next?
yes.
Mumu. The way that's Jesus, oh God, not born, nonsense. Hey, I would have cried. Hey, Jesus, see, I made this indomie so soggy. What a shame. not bonjour. The haters.
Oh, yeah, who's next? Rice and stew. Hey.
Please me.
God, I know who you're gonna pick, and this is gonna be me or Anita.
It's gonna be
Please let it
Sandra.
be me, oh.
Please.
God, I know he's good to me.
Who?
Me, baby.
Dobra is cheating.
I
Dobra knows what all the papers look like. You know what all the papers look like.
God is on my side.
Shut up, you're cheating.
No, baby. I'm picking the next one.
Next one like this porridge.
Sandra or Dobra or you?
It's Anita. It's Sandra.
Anita.
No, Sandra. Oh,
You wrote Laifa there.
Swallow.
Okay, I fear. It's easy.
Hey, so now the next one.
I don't
What?
like
Erika Anita, beef porridge and yam potato sauce.
What's my own just now?
Swallow and soup.
And my food is that they have been easy. Oh, spaghetti and swallow and soup.
No, let's
Anita. No, they
Let
are
me pick them.
Sarah pick.
It's Anita.
Anita.
It's Anita.
Anita. Anita.
Anita.
Should I complain that I refuse to pass the vote?
Oh, yeah, write another Anita for the next one.
Fried potato and sauce.
Oh. You know that video reminded me of Neo. It says, how did you do? Do you want that video?
I watched it.
How did you do? It said, which kind of fun be this? Attitude. He said, how did you do?
Let me play for Anita.
That video, I laughed that. Play the video, let's watch it.
No, write everybody to it.
I mean, she's
Let me see.
She's a pretty
Remove
girl.
your flash now.
And she's a pretty girl with good attitude.
She's a pretty girl with good
I
heart.
like Nengi. I mean, she's
I like Nengi.
She's a pretty girl. And she's a pretty girl with good attitude.
What did you?
Attitude. Which kind of fun everything.
Oh, I weak.
So we have just 4 more slots. So one person will
Fried
not
rice.
be free.
Oh, that's me.
Next.
But it has to be me. You need to put me into consideration. I work Tuesdays to Sunday.
Work together.
No, the right, yeah, my own is your own is more flexible than my own. Be honest.
Yours is
And I
flexible.
was all.
No, I work one more day, but I'm
balance
No, it's not fair.
will
People
decide.
should use my name.
Balance will decide.
I would not even be at home safe to start with. Oh yeah, nah. I'm serious, sir. If I get Saturday, I will not cook.
You
People
look
stay
all
younger.
fish with you
But you
now.
put akara mama for Saturday. And it's breakfast, we cook it Friday night.
Oh yeah, no
You're not
worries.
smart. In
No,
fact, automatic Sandra. Automatic, yes
Wait,
now.
calm down.
you can put me for moi actually.
So that means
I don't mind
that means
doing
you're not
moi.
among the person that is.
Put Friday nights for me. That means I'm not cooking soup or stew that weekend. Okay, you're not serving God well. MDK is cooking 2 serious foods. Pepper soup and
You know my own,
fried
my
rice.
own is simple. Alright, so
All my food is simple. Moi, what's
What
there?
happened with the cutting?
you cut by yourself. Oh yeah, so this
Who's
last
going to do
set
the
now, one person will not get.
My name is not there.
I know, so between Dobra and Anita, so one person will cook only twice this week.
Dobra, Anita, God is on Dobra's side.
Anita. God is working on your right side, not your own.
Pick it for them.
Close your eyes before you pick.
Anita, pray to God.
Because your eye don't be eyes.
I said, why are you moving
No,
on?
I don't know. Okay.
Anita, better pray that prayer.
Yeah, fix it.
See Anita's face. Which kind of winch laugh be that? Is Anita?
God loves
Who
you.
is that? Who is that?
God loves me.
Anita.
Everything you want. So God loves me. Okay. Do you know why? No, I picked this one. Sissy said drop it and we can pick. I said, oh God, you picked. Everything I picked. Jesus, you love me.
But wait, so guys, Dobra is not doing anything.
The way
Pasta
not
is only boiled yam and sauce, rice and sauce. Finish. Alright, Titi is
Curry sauce
yam.
dey o.
Yeah, my own is more Titi.
Oh yeah, let's
Pounded
do
yam
soup.
and
Let's do soup. Please, I'm hungry. I want to go and eat. 8 o'clock. I've not eaten since morning. Oh yeah.
Just be there.
I beg you.
So after
Let me
the
see,
day
let me
went out.
see.
I was not lying to you because after the day went out. Give my phone. I see, Anita's one is just, where is she? Beans porridge,
She done
fried potato sauce, and egg and bread. Finish.
And your
My
food
own
is easy now. Why are you
my
making
own
noise?
is jollof spaghetti, beans porridge, beans and plantain.
My today that conversation.
No, mama is me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, soup and stew.
Soup
Right,
and stew,
egusi
week
soup.
one. You just pick the soup you want to cook.
Nobody should give me okra soup.
No.
Because I don't even like
No, that's not fair. You will not be picking only one kind of soup.
No, for that week, then the next week, and that person will cook a different soup.
Okay.
okra soup, sha, or
We
just
will
soup.
switch.
I know one use I look at.
Don't pick what you can.
So if your husband and your
I
children,
get chef. Make
yeah,
me-
so anytime if your husband and children want,
And then my white man, you don't go like that.
Sometimes.
I get reason that
I'll be
way.
like,
there are some food I don't like, but I had to learn how to cook
Yeah,
because.
why?
Both man no dey chop
Pick
okra
one
soup.
season. Pick
You
only
never
one
gonna do lasagna. Be able to pronounce
Hey,
that.
be careful, last time again.
Lasagna.
Lasagna.
Whatever. That one hard way.
Yeah, which
It takes 2 hours to prepare.
They should not pay me.
Titi and Dobra.
What soup? What soup?
I
Write
week
it.
one, Titi
Week
and
one.
Dobra. Hey.
What soup?
I need cook. Oh, she
What
pick it.
soup?
I'm cooking my normal soup.
No,
No,
I'm
cannot
need
cook.
cook. I'm need cook.
Yeah, let's cook.
Yeah, she picked it.
I picked up first.
It's soup and stew. Egusi soup.
I knew you cook egusi. You pick
I've not
egusi. I knew you pick egusi.
Wait, you cook
You are
something that was in
picking
your
picking
spoon
simple
too
soup.
now.
Oh yeah, next week. Please, you know cook enough to last the whole week. Oh, not those small food that you're supposed to cook.
Yes.
Dobra.
Oh yeah, week 2. What if you want to be cooking every day, every week? Sandra, you
Just
take
like
Bola
Sandra.
this inside bike.
Someone should
Bola
cook now.
posted me on bike.
Week 2.
On I to Balogun.
People enter by
Do I
one.
look funny? Let me see.
Now, wow, Titi, how you dey squeeze this paper then?
I be need cook. You be need cook. Yeah.
Sandra.
She's gonna pick first.
If it is Anita is lead cook, I mean I'm
No,
just
I
there to
cook
assist.
Oh, yes.
So we're done for now.
Well done,
Next
yes.
month you can
Next
do
month
another
you
one.
pick it. What's people cooking?
Now she be lead cook, oh.
Owo soup.
Eh?
Owo soup.
I've seen my cooking before. Yeah, let's cook, have you?
If not continue,
You
you
buy small
Na
quantity
pot
of
na
things.
go
oh.
chop.
You unko.
My own egusi soup, you know how.
Dobra dey there with her.
Yes, now my bestie day. We go test them together.
All right.
Oh,
Please, who is for tomorrow morning? Mama.
Nah. Wednesday. Ebike, for tomorrow morning, no. Pepper soup. Breakfast. Me and Anita will not eat today. Okay, only Titi will not eat today.
If you can't be able to, no, start from
Eh,
tomorrow.
you pick anything.
Yeah, tomorrow morning we should just do egg and carry to work.
Much later.
Hi, Caris. Say hi. Caris, say hi.
Camera.
Hi. Did you miss Coco?
Hi, guys. Carrie, say
Carrie, say hi, guys.
Oh, no, this girl is.
Caris, say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Coco. Yeah, touch Coco.
Oh my god, I just saw that you're wearing like my hair.
Yes.
How did I just notice? It's Caris. I was just looking at you.
Coco, baby.
Wait, Caris. Caris is wearing, is this Gucci or Chanel? What do they call this one? Versace.
River Island.
Oh, River Island. It looked like this Gucci dress she used to wear one time.
Yeah.
Did you miss Coco?
Where's Coco?
Aww.
From the gate. Mommy Coco.
Are you serious?
When I was calling,
She remembers
just
Coco.
in the house. I swear. I'm like, so you know is this house?
Eh? Where's she going? She wants to bring Coco down.
Should she come down? She remembers Coco had a house here.
Yes, she went there to look for the house.
Coco's house. I should bring her
I want
down.
Coco to come down.
Bring her down, let me see.
Should I try for you?
Just try small. Bring her down. Coco, say hi, Caris.
Hi, guys.
See Coco.
Mama,
Coco
see
there.
Coco.
Mama, see Coco there. Yeah, she's not scared though. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, Mama, it's okay. See, come on, just do her like this. She said no. It's okay. She said no. She's done with that. She's done with that. She said no. Carrie, she's so big. Like, I'm seeing Carrie. I'm feeling old, man. When they born you, auntie. So cute, sandals. Mommy, she don't want cocoa.
Dog.
Whoa, the dog.
The dog.
It's not cocoa again, though. It's this dog. Hi guys, good morning. Realized I didn't say good morning before I showed you guys Kyrie's. Kyrie, say hi. Jew baby came to see me, guys. I'm not telling you that this girl is leaving me in this country, abandoning me. So you can live without me, Jew baby.
I like her. I can't.
You're not paying anything. This girl made me cry. I can't be happy for you, sorry. Bad belly mode activated. Anyways, I'm not going to work today. I want to cook. I was supposed to cook last night when I got back from work, but I got back from work like almost 10. So I'll show you guys the timetable we're making the other day. Let me show you guys the finished look. So this is the timetable. This is my timetable when I was trying to lose weight. Now, I don't know what's going on with me. Like, I don't even care about my weight anymore, and it's ridiculous. But yeah, anyways, this is the timetable. So Dobra and I are meant to do soup and stew today. So I'm gonna do that. Then when I'm done, I'm supposed to make my hair by like 1. So yes, that's the agenda for today. People always comment that they want to see me cooking, so they're gonna see me cook. So yeah. Jelly baby, say hi. Diana has already helped me to parboil the tomato and pepper. So I need to get new pots, you guys. Just see what my pots are looking like. And I spent so much money on these pots, so they didn't even last. I need to shop for my kitchen. Like, everything in my kitchen needs to be new. Because it's an eyesore. That's why I don't really vlog so much in my kitchen or vlog when I'm cooking as much, because my kitchen is not exactly up to par. But don't worry, when we move, we're definitely going to do a kitchen rebranding. Guys, I told you that Dobra is now our chef, so she's the lead cook for today's cooking. She's teaching me. Hello, chef.
Hi guys.
Student turned teacher. How are you feeling? You're feeling spelled out that I'm calling you better chef.
Yeah.
Shut up, put your shoe.
Hello.
So what are you doing now, please?
So apparently I'm seasoning my turkey and my chicken.
Apparently, quoi.
Yeah.
Now the English be that.
Apparently, yeah.
Apparently not follow for what you talk.
What are you saying? You don't know English.
I know English. Please let us know in the comment section below if she's using it in the right context.
So what am I supposed to say? So
You're not using it
basically,
in the right context.
basically.
Just continue.
Oh, okay.
Just continue.
So I put chicken maggi only. I don't use any other.
Only?
Yeah, I don't use any other maggi.
You know it's no.
No. Chicken maggi. Then I'm using Benny. Yeah.
How many
then
Bennies you put?
just one.
I finished one for
No,
one.
just a mini washer. Then I used Vivina, one full Vivina.
The students.
Yes, so I need to learn.
One full Vivina. Then
What from Vivina?
Yeah. And I'm going to use curry and thyme. Then bay leaf.
Really?
Yeah, for my
Baby
chicken.
is a chicken.
Yes, Sandra.
I know that it's only jollof rice I used to put baby.
To boil chicken.
Hey, don't you like using
So the reason
ginger
I
and
don't put
garlic?
sauce.
No, I don't do that.
No, I use chicken.
I like
use
it too. I don't
ginger and
mind why I
garlic
don't
for
like
my
it.
meat.
I don't like it.
Anita used the one day and she said it was
I
nice.
don't like it. I'm not using it for my stew. Sorry.
So, let me first-
Mommy.
Yes, this is student number 3.
You have to turn though. My hand is spinning me.
Why?
My hand is spinning me now.
To make your hand clean.
It's painful.
I can't turn on your students.
Eh? That's what you're supposed to turn.
Oh, wow. It's nice.
Turn.
My words is slap.
Turn. Sorry, I want to know if it's enough. So I just put Bailey, not.
How many Bailey did
Just
you
3.
put? Just 3. Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Then I'm going to put my onions inside.
Chef D is teaching us.
So
It was just a misunderstanding.
I made indomie and chicken to give Karis because she's hungry and this food is nowhere near ready. So our mom said I shouldn't put anything inside. I can't remember the last time I had indomie bland. So anyways. Karis, your food is ready. Chicken.
My chicken.
Your chicken.
Mommy, my chicken.
My chicken.
Thank you.
My chicken.
Yes, and your indomie.
My indomie.
Your indomie and chicken.
My indomie.
And I want you to own it. Say it to yourself. I will not change the word that I'm speaking about my life until it manifests.
Why did you do that? Ew! Oh my god, I'm so gross!
That I'm speaking
Jesus! Carrie! Put the
irrespective
indomie in her mouth and now poured it on Juliet's hand. Juliet had treats in her mouth.
of the circumstances.
You do worse things now.
I beg, I'm not fit. Chef D, oh yeah, teach us. Oh yeah. What kind of unenthusiastic teacher is this boy?
Putting on your sister oil.
Very unenthusiastic teacher. Who is Kuzia, please?
It's special. People need to ask that because you see I'm actually have to be smiling. So apparently I boiled the tomatoes already.
Apparently.
I don't know why I see that. But I feel like it's correct, Sha. Basically.
I will not say it's not correct. I think I think it's in the wrong
Okay, so
context.
correct me that. Tell me where you can use apparently for. Make a sentence with apparently. If you can't, then don't
I'm thinking now, what's wrong with
You
you?
can't think. If you are sure, you can't think.
Shut up! I need to find the right context. He told me he was a doctor.
Apparently, it was not.
Yes.
So apparently, you just do this.
I give up, please. English is not my first language. It's so funny how I know when something sounds wrong.
But you
I think it's
cannot.
got preschool. Like preschool used to allow our ear to catch
Something like
back down anything that is not correct. Just our ears capture it instantly. Bola say, why must you always hear the English I speak that is not good? I say blamed on the secondary school I went to.
The onions I put was not even enough just because I'm using this tin tomatoes. It already has pepper and onions inside. So, and when I'm done cooking my stew, I'll still put. When I'm done cooking my stew, I'll still put onions at the end of the. You understand? See, this
Yeah,
recipe I'm
understand.
giving you guys, my mom gave me. So yeah.
Shout out to mama.
Yeah, shout out to my mom for life, my best friend. So yeah. So I'm just going to pour it inside.
For what?
Tomatoes. It's only tomato that's inside.
The tomatoes has already been
Get
I've
tomatoes
boiled.
with this a bit.
so watery.
No, it's not even, it's not
If I
ready.
take it inside, push it inside, your point is here.
It's for my egusi.
So you need that much for egusi? Are you serious?
Because
I've
it's
never
hot
used
now.
tomatoes to make egusi.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see this.
So
Serious.
nice. Ah!
It's
This is
not
not
red.
looking fine. Okay, maybe because
I think
it's not.
tomatoes is not ripe. You want it. That's why it's not red. That one is normal pepper.
Are you sure?
No,
It
she
does not
said
smell
so.
like normal pepper.
She said this one is the sharp one. This one is the normal pepper. I told her. She says that one.
I'm going to put it against. So I'm putting my pepper.
She says no pepper.
They did not boil it together. I don't know why. But yeah.
But you normally put two of them together. I think I'm supposed to separate the shambo and the tatashi from the normal pepper.
I'm not talking about the tomatoes and pepper. Like I blend everything together and boil them
You don't know the
together.
quantity that you want to use now. I should not boil it together. Now this one is the shambo. This one I call yourself. So we're done putting tomato, pepper, everything. So I'm gonna allow it cook for a while. So now the rice putting in the tin tomatoes. She allowed the stew to boil for how long? Almost an hour.
30 minutes.
More than 30 minutes. I was just wondering.
So now all eyes on me. I pray this food was sweet though.
Oh, what do you all the rest then?
That's why the food will not be sweet.
I swear that.
Sure, you know it's not. But if you're cooking alone, like nobody's even looking at you. So don't already go tell everybody say I sabi cook very well. Wow.
Expectations will not be high.
Yes, nah.
I didn't taste the food when I don't understand. Oh, that was so funny. So how long are you gonna let it sit for
30
now?
minutes.
Another 30 minutes before you put your
My
seasoning.
and my chicken stock and my chicken.
Oh my
Chicken is the
god.
last. Then when I'm done, I'll just use onions to garnish the stew.
Oh, she garnish that.
That's all. See? It's not slapping like that. So, you know, when you not put your tomatoes, that's why you start.
That's why I used to
Go, I
fry
hate
the
it there.
tomatoes first. Okay, when the film starts
Yes, I
flying.
hate it. It's very
And
painful.
it's so painful. I don't know why it's so. It's like it's even more painful than when hot water touches you.
Then please don't allow your stew burn.
Always stir.
Yeah, always stir so that there's this taste. I mean, there's this. I don't know when your stew burns. Then it's not be is it black or something.
Oh,
Somebody can testify. But anyways, yeah, let's keep that.
That one day when my stew burnt, tomorrow now hear what on top the stew went burn that day.
You want to test it?
I'm gonna sleep, not this proud child. Coco, come.
How is she want to come?
I will slap this door, bro. They call me assistant there. This my friend is going. I want to tell her goodbye. Oh, why are you hurting Coco? Oh, Paris, why?
Give me.
If I even lucky that Coco is already big.
Whoa. Come on. You see how fast that was.
You know that time that
Madam Flash.
was very small. Eh? See?
I want to Coco. Why did you start doing that?
See?
Oh, under the table. My spots.
But when you're not doing like this, you just leave it.
Coco, give her a container.
You don't know where it is. Olympic runner. Come on. Gold medalist.
I swear.
Should I carry this forward and go?
See, carry on to do our own. Carry on to do our own.
Carry this from here.
That was so funny. Carry just straight there thinking that.
Trade
Trade now.
Trade there from here. No, from here. Trade.
Yay! Carry, clap for yourself. Go wants to tell Carrie's bye. Go, come here. If you go downstairs and flog, come here. Coco,
Come.
inside now. Coco, inside.
Come.
Inside. Come on inside. Before Coco will just run
Inside.
to another building now looking for her. You know Coco has gone to that last building. My sister was screaming in the middle of the night. I was just bye, my love. Carrie, say bye.
Bye.
Say Coco, bye.
So I'm multitasking. We're making egusi and stew. So the stew is boiling over here. We're about to start the egusi. So the rice puts in palm oil. I'm learning a new recipe today. I don't normally use this recipe. Do you know this life is funny? When I used to get that people tomatoes inside egusi, I used to see which kind of style with that. They don't know how to cook.
Are you serious?
Look at.
Some people use steamed tomatoes, some people use normal tomatoes. So yeah.
Remember to keep stirring your stew so it doesn't burn. Over here, I've already grinded the egusi, then double grinded onion. She made it wet, and she used the mixture to mix the egusi. That's why it's thick like this in this consistency. It's in the paste form here. So Chef D is about to go down.
And I hope this egusi soup will be sweet.
Why won't it? The rice food is always consistent. That's all I don't understand.
Yeah, it's
like
God.
it tastes the same all the
God
time.
is always on my side. But I don't know about today's one though because
You just said God is always on your side. Now you're saying stop contradicting yourself.
Sorry, God is always on my side.
See what I always say? Pray for everything. Every single thing in this life. Pray about it. Doesn't matter how little. God's gonna show up.
I'm not even put. It's like the spice inside the same.
Yes, no, I told you like the tin tomatoes.
Yes, because it's not sweet. Like, I'm like,
I like
my
the
tea is already
sweet
sweet. Like,
Proud much.
anyways, yeah, this is onions. Where's my tomato?
Tomato. See your tomato over here.
Yup.
You put that one first.
No.
Yeah.
I'll fry it.
Let me see the quantity. Jesus, there isn't plenty like this.
It's going to dry. When it dries, you now see how it is. You get. I'm using plenty egusi because last time why my soup was not red. It was the way it was. It was white. Yeah. My sauce was, and my egusi was more than the sauce. Yeah. Yeah. I could see it was very white.
It was not white in my eye.
It was white, and then I know grind it smooth. Like so, I could literally taste it.
I'm so proud of the woman that Dora has grown to be. Like,
yeah, because I used to bomb food out here.
Dora, as I'm not sitting there, standing here looking at Dora talking, I'm just having flashbacks. Like Dora used to be lazy,
very
and I don't care, and always pressing her phone. Now she's always busy. She's always working or doing something. Like she's really grown. I'm so proud of you, baby.
Thank you guys, God and my mom and my siblings for pushing me to be a better woman.
And then I used to pray. I said, God, don't ever just find rich man.
But I'll still find rich man now.
No, but like before it was a necessity.
Like so I can take care of my bills and the rest.
Because
remember I was like, you're so expensive. Try and find rich man. Rich man locate me. I beg you, I get mad. Guys, my assistant is really holding camera. She's not helping me.
No, bro, if I slap you, I grind egusi, I grind crayfish.
You know what to do. So I fried the onions. Onions and the cut.
Guys, look at me before this day was happening. Should be as I'm doing my assistant duties well. I'm still turning this.
It's not burning on that.
It's not burning.
Are you sure?
I'm just turning just now. 1 second.
My hand is burning, oh. Yeah,
Oh God, this thing is so scary. This thing is splash. I hate it so much. Like I used to put cloth on my hand. Now put on this thing. It was splash on me.
it sounds for. I don't think I'll put everything.
No, we must put everything, but they ask you, they come later.
I mixed Benny, Mibina, and Maggi together. You know, just. I won't put everything, don't be scared.
You said don't be scared.
And I'll taste it. Okay, that's on my assistant.
If you call me assistant, you won't tell me. Don't worry, they are the head cook. I will call you assistant too. Guys, you see how this thing is splashing. I haven't even really started splashing like that because the oil has not really come out. Let that oil splash you. You sing to the Lord in 100 languages. Sorry, I forgot I was vlogging. We've turned the chicken stock from the chicken and turkey inside the stew. So how do you know when it's time to put the egusi, mommy? You're not teaching you.
It has dried now.
Yeah, it has dried.
You know when
okay, the oil is on top.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, guys, that's how you know. Even your stew, that's how you know that's dried. When the oil is on top and the paste is on the bottom. So now the rice is molding the egusi. Make sure you wash your hands, guys. Sorry, this is irritating you. Maybe there are some people that get irritated by stuff like this. We apologize. You're doing it like, you know how they used to cut starch for you when you were small?
Like
cut it small. Yes, like akara. So the rack covered this for a few minutes. Now she's turning it together.
This is too much.
Not too much.
It's too much. Not give me the.
I checked your number twice.
So you stir until it's dry.
Until it's dry.
Yeah. Like
It's pretty much the same method though, just that you put tomatoes.
So what you used to do? Fry the oil and the egusi.
Yeah.
Finish.
Yes. I'll put pepper.
Okay,
I use
fresh
only
pepper.
fresh pepper. Yes,
Okay.
I'll grind the fresh pepper to be rough.
Okay. And that's what okay, I'll try your method one.
You stick with your own sweets. If something's working, why try to change it? Alright, I wanted to come in closer and show you guys that it's dry now. You have to keep turning and turning. The rice is literally sweating. Our shoulders hurt. That's how we get the egusi. It needs to be dry and one. Shouldn't be together. No, this is one.
Hey, is that okay?
All those mama pussy that are ready to come here. That's why I used to eat pussy when I was younger. Pussy comfy and I like watery pussy. I'm not experienced. I didn't mention, but we already boiled goat's meat, cow leg. No goat meat. Yeah, okay. Sorry, we already boiled. I thought there was goat's meat. So we don't put goat meat on the list. I'm surprised they're cooking without goat meat. Cow leg, shaki, roundabouts, all those. So now I'm putting the chicken and turkey in the stew. The oil comes on top when your stew is ready. Right, chief chef? Yes. Chef. Now the rice putting in pomo, diced pomo, diced it. So we're using it to garnish it, and we'll put crayfish. You just put crayfish. So I'll like boil for a while, put ugu, and then soup is ready. Guys, so I put the ugu. This is what your egusi should look like. Chef D, how do you feel? Tired. So we are done with cooking. And the wrap puts onions. What how do you explain it? To garnish it. So just spray the onion. And that is the end of today's cooking. Chef D, thank you so much for lecturing us.
We don't have to search no more.